Suppose that x is a normally distributed random variable with a mean mu equal to 7 and a standard deviation sigma equal to 9, and you want to compute the probability that your x is between -2 and 8. So that means that x is less than -8 and x is greater than -2. You will use your calculator to do this. You will use the NormCDF option on your calculator. This option needs 4 numbers. The first is the lower number. That's going to be the -2. Then it's the upper number. That's going to be the 8. Then you will need to tell it the mean, which is the 7 in this case. Then you will need to tell it the standard deviation, which in this case will be 9. In between each of these, you need to have the comma sitting there. Now, when you use this in the calculator, you will find out that this probability is equal to 0.3856. So now we will find out how to do this on the calculator. Computing the probability, we're bigger than -2 and smaller than 8. We start with second, and we go to vars. Then we go down to the option for NormCDF, and we hit enter. And then we will type in -2, comma, 8, so the lower, then the upper, then a comma, then our mean, which is 7, then a comma, then a standard deviation 9, then a close parenthesis, and then we hit enter. If we happen to have the stat wizard on the calculator, it will look a little bit different. It will be second in vars. Then we go down to the NormCDF again, hit enter. Now the lower, in this case, will be our -2. The upper will be our 8. Then we need our mean, which is 7. Then our standard deviation, which is 9. And we tell it to paste. And if we look back, we will see a line that says NormCDF, the -2 the lower, comma 8 the upper, 7 the mean, comma 9 the standard deviation, and we hit enter, and we get our probability again.